Hello everyone, welcome to the Royal Cyber Adobe series. My name is Abhishek Kumar and I am a junior AM developer at Royal Cyber. Today we will talk about Royal Cyber homegrown product that is AM Copilot. AM Copilot is like a special tool that's built right into Adobe Experience Manager and it's making a difference in how we make content. But what exactly is AM Copilot? So, AM Copilot is like having a smart assistant right at your fingertips, teaming up with OpenAI to elevate your content creation experience. Imagine needing to write something or select the perfect images for your website. Instead of spending hours searching for the right words, AM Copilot jumps in and suggests ideas, even writing content for you based on your needs. It's a creative partner that's there for you every step of the way, making the content creation process quicker and easier. But how does it work exactly? AEM Copilot uses artificial intelligence to look at data, figure out what user want, and give them suggestions for making content. It works with OpenAI, a smart program to understand language really well and help people create content that's just right for them. Whether you are crafting blog post, product description, AM Copilot is your secret weapon for producing high quality content in record time. It's like having a team of content expert at your disposal. It's there to help whenever you feel inspired. But AM Copilot doesn't stop there. It's not just about generating content. It's about ensuring that content is polished, accurate, and engaging. With features like text correction and summarization, AEM Copilot acts as your proofreader and a summarizer rolled into one, helping you to refine your writing and communicate your ideas more effectively. In short, AEM Copilot is a game changer for content creators, empowering them to unleash their creativity and unlock new possibilities in Adobe Experience Manager. It's a tool that's transforming the way we approach content creation, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for next video.